He's drowning. Help! Man, he's drowning. He's drowning.
Hey, what's going on out there?
I don't know. Someone's drowning.
Do they know who he is?
They said he's the least fascinating man in the world, or something like that.
They actually see him? I mean, you think they'll get him?
Oh, well, I really hope so.
Hey, look at that. Some kind of seabird with a mussel. He's trying to open it. Yeah, fat chance without a nutcracker. Watch it, bird. Ocean's gonna get you. You know, he's gotta be able to grab it or something. Oh, looks pretty good. Oh, he got it. He got it. I don't believe that. Oh, you don't want to miss any scraps either. Clean off your beak. There you go. Wow. Okay, go for you.
He's looking for a hidden muscle in there. Ain't no hidden muscle.
Look, another boat's going out after him. You can get him.